logic and their symbols. Now, these five words, not, and, or, if then, if and only if, which are given in this connective column, are used as a connective in mathematical logic. Consider the first word. If not word is used, then the corresponding compound statement is called as negation, and their symbol is like this one. After that, the second, if and connective is used, then corresponding compound statement called as conjunction, and symbol is like this one. The third word is or. If or word is used, then the corresponding compound statement is called as disjunction, symbol is used this one. Next connective is if then. If then word is used, then that corresponding statement is called as conditional or implication, and the symbol used for that connective is this single sided arrow, you can say. After that, the fifth connective is if and only if, which is corresponding compound statement called as biconditional or double implication, and the symbol used for that is this two-sided arrow. Now, for this and or word, there are some similar words which are given here. Consider this one. Similar, if either or at least words are used, then we can these are similar to or words. There are some other words which are similar to and, which are but, both, as you can see, but, both, as well as, neither, nor, though. These are the similar to and words. Now coming back to logical connectives, now we have to see one question based on this logical connectives. First question, this express the following statements in symbolic form. So first one is your E is a vowel, or 2 plus 3 equal to 5. As you can see, there are two statements. We have to remove this or word first, this or connective. So first statement we are going to consider it as E is a vowel. The second statement we have to consider it as a Q, which is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The symbolic form of the since or word is used, and the symbol for or is like this one, so the symbolic form of the given statement is P or Q. After that, second statement is even though it is cloudy, it is still raining. Since though is similar to and word, so we have to remove this even though first, and then the two statements are, first one is it is cloudy, second one is your it is still raining. This word, it is still raining. The symbolic form, since even though is similar to and word, the symbolic form, the symbol of the and we have to use here. Then the symbolic form of the given statement is this one, which is P and Q. So I hope you, thank you all of you for listening this one. I hope you like this video. So please, if you like this video, like and share to at least to your two of your friends this video. Thank you.